So this is an Astro 1423. It's really good rivet gun. So we try to pop in OEM Mercedes steel rivet. Very easy to do. Just screw in collectors. So these are the Mercedes OEM steel rivet. So if you're doing a window regulator, highly recommend it. Five times, done. Second one. Five times. Let me see. Very easy to use. They have 4 additional head. You can easily screw it off, replace it. They also give you a little wrench that you can remove, and remove the old one, and then screw it right in. Depending on what rivets that you're trying to rivet. Highly recommend it.